Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, welcome back with the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, February the 10th, 2022. We have here 9 extra puzzles. The first one I've already solved, and I won't do them all. Only 5 puzzles I will solve. And the second puzzle I will do is a 4 stars puzzle. Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku. Alright. This will be number 4107. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Alright, 24. For 4 stars puzzle, yeah, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 3 2s. We have here 2 3s. We have here 3 4s. We have here 2 5s. We have here 4 6s. Okay. 4 6s. 2 7s. 4 8s. And 1 9. Okay. Let me scan for the 6s and the 8s. Can I use the 6? Yeah. Well, 8. Okay. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8? No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Cannot continue with 8. How about the 6 then? 6. Okay. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this column. No 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6 in this row. No 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so the last column. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 6 here. I need to wait. Let me see with the pairs. Well, we see here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in the last column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 it goes there. All right. 1, 1, 1. And 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Then. Cannot continue with 5. Well, the 4 then. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in the third row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in the third column, no 4 in that box, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only place left for the 5 should be here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. Let me see. 8, 8, 7. 7 and a 9. 7, 7. Interesting. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in the last row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. And we have a pair. 7 and 8 in this column. 7 in one of those 2 boxes and the 8 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places left for the 7 and 8, goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. So 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The 9 is missing. Okay. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Okay, then. Let me see. Yeah. How about? 3 in this row, first row, 3 in the second row, so the third row. Only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We see here 1 and 1 there. 1 should be here, the 7 it goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9. 4 and the 9. Okay. Yeah. because we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so last row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 9. Okay, 2 numbers left in the second column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 2, it goes there. Alright. Okay, 2. Yeah. I'm thinking. 6. Yeah, 6, 3, 1, 7. Okay, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this column. No 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6 in this row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here's 7 in this row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and a 9 we have here. 1 is missing, 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. And let me mark those 2 boxes, okay? 1 and a 3. That means we have also here 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3 in the middle row are missing. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left. I've eliminated the 3, so 3 goes there. Yeah. 3, 3, and the 3. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in the first column. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Yes, 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark. Okay. 7, 9. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, the 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. 3, 7, 9, 3, 7, 9, 3, 7, 9. And look, we have a 7 and a 9 in the last row. So no 7 and a 9 in this box. The 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. So 1 digit left should be the 3. Okay. A 3 in this row, 3 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Okay, how about the 4 then? Yeah, let me check for the 4. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 there. Here 1 in this column, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Okay. Here we have 2 missing numbers. Let me see. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Let me mark those. Here we have a pair. 7 and 9. 7 and a 9. So here cannot be a 7 anymore. This cannot be a 7. So that means that box should be a 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. And the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. And this box should be an 8. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be 1. Okay. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Now we have a 7 here. This box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 9. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. So this box should be a 9. 1 box left in this big square for numbers. For the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be 9 anymore. This box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be 7, and this box should be an 8. Okay, 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there ain't no 8 there. 8 should be there, and I've eliminated the 6. So the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 9. Now we have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 80 minutes. 1 minute more than the previous Sudoku, but is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this again a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later for the other 3 puzzles. Before I leave, these numbers I'm analyzing for a while. Okay. The center boxes of the big squares. We have here 3, 2, 4. 3, 2, 4, 9, 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 6, 8, 7, 6, 8, 7. So now, I believe we have 1 pair, the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, the 8. We have 1 pair, 1, 8. Okay. Thank you, and see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.